In international law, a territorial sea is a maritime area that extends up to 12 nautical miles from a coastal state's baseline. The coastal state has full sovereignty over the territorial sea, including the airspace, seabed, and subsoil. Sovereignty. 1. The coastal state has complete sovereignty over the territorial sea. 2. The coastal state can legislate on matters such as navigation safety, environmental preservation, and pollution control. And 3. The coastal state can prohibit foreign fishing, restrict coastal transport, and exercise police authority. Innocent passage. 1. All states have the right to pass through another state's territorial sea without causing prejudice to the coastal state's security. 2. This includes stopping and anchoring for normal navigation. And 3. The coastal state must recognize innocent passage even if a vessel is polluting, as long as the pollution is not serious or intentional. Maritime delimitation. If a coastal state's territorial sea overlaps with another state's, the border is the median point between the two states' baselines. The states can also agree to a different border. Hot pursuit. If a foreign ship violates the coastal state's laws, the coastal state can pursue and arrest the ship on the high seas. In international law, a coastal state has the right to exercise full sovereignty over its territorial sea. This includes the airspace above the sea, the seabed, and the subsoil. The coastal state also has the right to legislate on matters such as navigation safety, environmental preservation, and pollution control. Rights of a coastal state. 1. Sovereignty. The coastal state has full sovereignty over its territorial sea. 2. Resource use. The coastal state has exclusive rights to use resources within its territorial sea. 3. Legislation. The coastal state can legislate on matters such as navigation safety, environmental preservation, and pollution control. 4. Prevention of non-innocent passage. The coastal state can take steps to prevent non-innocent passage through its territorial sea. And 5. Suspension of innocent passage. The coastal state can temporarily suspend innocent passage in certain areas if it's necessary for security. Rights of other states. Right of innocent passage. All states have the right to pass through the territorial sea of another state without prejudice to the security of the coastal state. Recognition of innocent passage. The coastal state must recognize innocent passage even if the vessel is causing pollution, as long as the pollution is not serious or willful.